Hi everyone, welcome to Miles of Inspiration. This time is different. Many a time, so many people work really hard and go unnoticed. I know someone, Geeta. I'm a big fan of her. So when I told her, she also told me the same thing. She is my fan. So we have a friendship between us. So we decided that we will talk here and we will talk about our journey so that if it can be helpful to someone. Oh, hi, Geeta. I'm so happy that finally we are meeting personally. I've been knowing you since so many times. I saw you at gym, working so well, working out so well, and I since then I've been your fan. And I'm glad that today you are here, and we'll be talking about our journeys. I mean, why this conversation? Because I hope this can help you someone. So tell me about your journey, Geeta.
Hi, Rina.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan of yours.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Actually, I keep on seeing your posts and I'm very much inspired by that. And you keep motivating people a lot.
Thank you so much.
So it's a very good opportunity for me also to sit with you and have a conversation.
Yeah, it's a mutual friendship. Okay. So how did you start, Geeta? I mean, you've been working out since long or
And yeah, it's been 15 years.
wow, oh wow. Yeah. So you started at a gym or something?
Yeah, just I was a simple client at the gym when I started. Then I started at I was very consistent with that. So my trainer told me, "Ki, why don't you get certified?"
Oh, okay, okay.
With her inspiration, I got certified. I'm a Reebok certification, and that too 5 certification I have done.
Okay, okay. That's amazing.
So, like my journey started 15 years back, and I'm very consistent with my workout. I never see ki whether I am in a cold weather or a hot weather or you can say rainy season. It doesn't bother me.
Exactly, it's the same for me.
Yeah, and that's why I'm thinking ki whenever I see you, you are always working. I see you in that what do you call it, Akota Bridge.
Okay.
You are running in the rain also, and you are running in the muddy world. Like it's a very, I'm very much inspired with this. You are doing so hard work. You are giving motivation to others. So that's why I wanted to tell you something. You are a big inspiration for me too.
Yeah, because that came to me the other day on Instagram DM when you told me, that came to me as a really surprise. I was really very happy when you told me, and that got me an idea. And why not to do a conversation? That I'm inspired by you, you are inspired by me, and this can really be something important for other people to know. And I mean, we can talk about it, right? Yeah. So tell me, Geeta, what keeps you consistent? Like, where do you get your motivation? What makes you keep on? What keeps you so disciplined and all that? Tell me.
I have one thing. You are asking me, I have the same question with you also. I want you also to answer the same thing.
Okay, yeah, I understand. So for me, I don't look out for motivation at all. Initially, like I went to a gym and maybe my purpose, we had this new gym opened in my area. So I just enrolled for it and maybe I went it there for maybe to meet someone and or maybe to socialize. And then I started and then later on, maybe 1 or 2 years, trainers started appreciating me. Like because I used to do 50 push-ups at a go, so they were like appreciating, and that you know made me think that I can do better. And then that started me actually. And then simultaneously, I also started running. So for running also, I needed to work out and all that. And then now
Lot of strength for that.
yeah, you did a lot. And then now this has become my lifestyle, and it has given me so much. I would say that fitness has given me everything. It has given me everything, like so much. It has given me confidence. It has given me the way to live the life, and it has given me such a big community. My Run with Dina members.
That's
Yeah.
growing with you because
Yeah,
you are like that way.
yeah,
You are the
yeah.
motivation behind them.
And for me, my member is not my member. I don't market or I don't do anything to do business. But for me, once a member becomes my member, their health, their fitness, their injuries become, part of me, and I take care of them. So like I would never sell if somebody would come to me that, they want to lose weight or they want to just, abs, make their abs or, flat tummy. I would never do that. So I never sell anything which is trendy in the market, or anything which is not right for a member. I would sell only which is good for the member. And that's how, and my community is like really, really so good. I mean, so everyone is so happy. So whenever I talk about Run with Hina, I mean, I get a big smile on my
Because you
face.
treat them like a family.
Yeah,
That's why you care about them.
yeah, that is true. That is true.
So I have one more question. Like, how you started running?
Running, actually when I had enrolled for the gym, I was not knowing. Some of the members were going for the training, and there was this Vadodara marathon was coming in Baroda for the first time. So I asked them that they were talking about training, that they're going to go for a run on Sunday. So I thought it must be a part of gym only that everybody has to go. So I went there. They were. I thought the whole gym would be there, and my purpose was just to socialize. So I thought maybe everyone must be going. So I went there. So there was only one lady. So we ran, and we ran that day. First day we ran 16 kilometers.
Oh,
And that gave me a big confidence. And from there on, I started.
you completed, I think, 50, round of 50
So no,
marathons.
I did 59 half marathons, two full marathons.
Big achievement.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, last year I was whole year I trained for, because last year I had taken up ProCam. In that Bangalore we have to do 10 kilometers, Delhi we have to do 21 kilometers, Calcutta 25, and Bombay 42. And it was month by month, so I was like training the whole year, and so much of running and so much of training, but it went well. So this year I'm slightly slower. I'm slightly slowed down into running and focusing more on fitness.
That's what I say. You are the inspiration. You are managing yourself also, like taking a classes also and running also. Simultaneously, you are doing both the things.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And Geeta, I always see that you always do strength training, either body weight or at the gym lifting weight. So tell me, why strength training and why not doing cardio, Zumba?
See, I personally feel like doing just a Zumba is a knee injury because your legs get twisted anytime. And by doing just a cardio, you don't get a muscles.
Hmm. Hmm.
You don't get the muscles with which you wanted. It's a loose muscles, which is not useful. If you want to be strong woman, you have to do a strength. Because by doing a strength training, only you get a good muscle and you can lift training. So I personally feel like you can do a cardio, but twice. Twice a week is more than enough. Right? You need to do a cardio, a strength to increase your stamina, your strength.
True, very true.
So I personally feel this way.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, exactly, very true. So,
What about you? How you train yourself?
so for me, from the day one to now, I've never worked out to lose weight or like for aesthetics कि मुझे यहाँ से कम करना है, ये कम करना है. मैंने कभी भी ऐसा वर्कआउट नहीं किया, मुझे आता भी नहीं है, और I've never seen myself that. Now if somebody says that, oh, इसको तो कहाँ जरूरत है, बट मुझे जरूरत इसलिए नहीं हुई क्योंकि आई ऑलवेज बीन डूइंग स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग. उसकी वजह से मेरा वेट कभी भी बढ़ा नहीं है. पीपल थिंक दैट कार्डियो करने से या जुम्बा करने से वेट नहीं बढ़ता है, बट एक्चुअली इट इज स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग. If I don't have a big belly, it's only because of the strength training.
100%.
So I have always worked out either to improve my performance or improve my strength, and that has really helped me very well.
That's very true. Like people have that mentality.
Yeah.
Like इसको क्या जरूरत है workout करने की?
हाँ.
She is so fit.
हाँ.
It is not fit. We are getting fitter by doing the workout.
Very true.
It's not कि हाँ हम लोग नहीं करेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
We are going to gain weight.
हाँ.
We are going to not be fit like others.
Yeah.
So it's very important to be fit too. We have to the
Yeah.
funda behind doing a workout is to be fit, not a weight loss.
True.
I believe that.
Yeah, exactly my belief that मैंने आज तक कभी भी वेट लॉस वेट लॉस के लिए वर्कआउट नहीं किया। और मेरे मेंबर्स को भी मैं यही बोलती हूँ कि वेट लॉस को फोकस एस्थेटिक पे मत फोकस करो,
100%.
फिटनेस या हेल्थ पे फोकस करो। वेट लॉस तो अपने आप होगा ही होगा, इट्स अ बाय प्रोडक्ट ऑफ व्हाट यू विल बी डूइंग, बट इफ यू focus you will always be disappointed if you focus on weight loss. That's what I believe, right?
People think कि weight loss करना है. It is not a weight loss. The funda behind it is just to be fit.
Yeah.
आपको fit रहना important है, then you can do anything.
True, very
Anything you can do it. So when I go to gym, I feel this is me time.
true.
I always think this is the me time, and every lady should take me time. So 1 hour should be for me time.
Yeah, definitely, definitely.
What about you? How you manage your things?
ये मेरा तो फॉर मी दिस इज माय वर्क, दिस इज माय लाइफ, सो एवरीथिंग आई डू, ईट, स्लीप, एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट वर्कआउट। सो मेरा खाना फिक्स रहता है, मेरा सोने का टाइम फिक्स रहता है, बिकॉज मेरे मेंबर्स के लिए भी आई टू स्पेंड टाइम फॉर देम ऑल्सो। सो माई व्हाट्सएप इज ऑल्सो फुल विथ messages for them. So this is my work also, this is my work also, full time work. तो मेरा पूरा ही उसी में जाता है। So my things are very sorted out, you know, in terms of fitness, in terms of health. I'm very happy the way it goes, you know.
Because you're managing everything nicely.
True.
Like plan, you have a plan. Like सुबह मेरा workout, मुझे I have to take the classes. Then I have to work for myself also.
Exactly.
Then I have to go home and eat properly. I have to sleep. Then I have to take the classes.
Exactly.
You are managing that.
I was discussing this with someone, you know, that I feel, you know, I told one of my friends that highest form of self-respect or self-love is reaching somewhere in time and
100%.
leaving from that place in time, you know.
True.
Whatever, I mean, be it the place that you are invited, be it the place that you have to go for work, or be it a relationship or anything, you know.
That's the first impression.
Yeah, so it's very important that you reach on time and leave on time. I strongly believe that, and that's self-love, because you know people will start respecting you, that respecting your time. So that is how you get respect. You know, that's how you
Very
get
nice.
respect. Geeta, do you work out during your period?
Yes, 100%.
Okay. So what are your thoughts on that?
I feel it is just in your mind. You are thinking you cannot do a workout. You should do it, but with a lighter weight and a less intensity.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, definitely. You know, I mean,
You must be facing the same thing. What you do it right then.
yeah, it's completely fine. You know, I mean, if your body is supporting you, there is no problem in working out during your period. So that's completely fine.
Dina, I have one more question. Like women have at the age of I think by 40, crossing the 40s, then some have back pain, some have knee pain, and they are struggling with that. So what you suggest?
Yes, yes. Definitely, you know, I would want to speak on that, because I'm seeing that these days, you know, maybe women above 40s, they are doing great in their lives, you know, be it their startups, be it their husband's business, they are participating in their husband's business, they have their own women's gang, you know, they are going out solo, they are going out holidaying with their friends, they are doing amazing. But when it comes to taking care of themselves, when it comes to self-care and taking care of their health, you know, I think they are failing. And most importantly, and by the time, you know, by the time they reach 40, they already have knee pain or, you know, back pain, or they are feeling fatigue because they are going through pre-menopause or maybe menopause also, because women these days, you know, they get very early menopause. So now, why this is happening? Because there is already a pile of hormone imbalance. पहले जो गलतियाँ की है,
Right.
you know, they've not eaten well, they've not
Exactly.
done strength training. तो उसका pile up है hormone imbalance के, तो that is they are already paying. अभी क्या करना चाहिए? चलो now, at least now, focus on your health, focus on strength training, focus on having protein. मैं जितने भी लेडीज को बोलती हूँ कि आप प्रोटीन लो, हम लोग चना खाते हैं, हम लोग सब्जी लेते हैं, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू टेकिंग वे प्रोटीन, उनको 1000 क्वेश्चन आ जाते हैं। तो मेरा ये बोलना है कि हम लोग जब रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं, तो वहां पर तो कोई लेबल नहीं होता खाने का, क्या क्या डालते हैं रेस्टोरेंट्स में, क्या क्या MSG डालते हैं, कलर्स डालते हैं, वी नेवर क्वेश्चन देम. When we go to parties or we have alcohol, we never check वहाँ पर क्या लिखा, वहाँ तो clear notice लिखा है कि this is injurious to health. Then why question
About the protein.
whey protein? Please protein लो. If you ask me, अभी तक मेरा there are two things which has helped me immensely into my fitness. I would say two things. One is protein and another is my sleep. You know, so I would tell all the women, please take care of your health. One, please take care of your protein. तो वे प्रोटीन से डरो मत. आपका आपका प्रोटीन लो. Then take care of your sleep. That is recovery. You know. And then
100%.
walking out is non-negotiable. अगर आपको लगता है कि walk करने से, you know, when they start, I mean 40s में, now it is, you know, compulsion for them to work out. उनको लगता है कि अभी तो workout करना पड़ेगा. What they do is either they would go to Zumba or they would start walking. So I'm not against any form of exercise. Zumba is great too, but strength training at least 3 days in a week is non-negotiable.
They should start the
There's-
journey with
there's-
by doing thrice a week.
3 days is 3 days is non-negotiable. आप कुछ भी करो, और walking is not an exercise.
100.
That I would say even for your parents, you know, like my mother, she passed away at 92. When I became aware that parents should do strength training, I think that was quite late because her mobility was not good at that time. But she passed away. I mean, with her spirit and with her health, she would have lived 10 years more. But because she fell down and her hip got fractured, she had to be operated. So I would suggest everyone that if you love your parents, please उनको खाली walk पे मत भेजो, उनको आप strength training भी कराओ. So that is very important, right? So this is what, you know. So all my ladies, all my sisters, please take care of your health, take care of protein intake, and take care of strength training as much as you can. And if you have any question at any time, I'm there. I'm your sister. मजा आया गीता आज बहुत, you know. I
Okay,
really
really.
enjoyed talking with you.
Same here.
Very good fun. हाँ.
Let's start with this rapid fire round.
Done.
Chalo.
Okay.
I'm asking you a few questions.
Okay.
First you give the answer, then I will be giving.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Chalo, let's start. What do you prefer? Doing a workout in the morning or evening?
Evening.
Evening. Me doing in the morning.
Okay.
And home workout or gym?
Gym or outdoor. I like doing workout in outdoor.
Same.
Yeah.
So I'm being a Punjabi, I said ditto.
Ditto. Okay.
Cardio or strength?
Strength.
Same, strength. One food you will never give up.
Actually, being honest, I can give up any food. I'm very, very strict about what I eat, so I can give up anything.
Like same with me, you can say ki I can give up anything. I'm a healthy eater.
Okay, great.
One habit that changed your life.
Change my life.
Yes.
Tracking my sleep.
Oh, that's good.
Seriously, yeah.
Like what I can say, I am very consistent. That have changed my life.
Okay.
Biggest fitness mantra.
Work on my strength.
Oh, that's great. And I will give you need to sweat like a crazy. One thing women should start today.
Taking care of their health. Take enough protein, and don't fear whey protein, and do strength training minimum 3 days a week.
And I can say with lifting weights without fear.
Very good, very good. Perfect.
One thing women should stop immediately.
Focus on weight loss, and focus on weight loss.
One last question. If not fitness, what would you be doing?
I'm clueless. I don't know what I would have been doing. What about you?
I can say कि मतलब fitness नहीं तो मेरी life नहीं. I believe that.
Exactly. So,
कि like I'm very passionate about the workout. That's very fact about me.
so we're lucky that we are following our pattern. I have two rapid fire questions.
Yes.
One non-negotiable habit.
I don't have that type of habit. You can say कि I keep on doing a workout 5 days a week and I just take rest on Sunday.
Okay.
And if you tell me to don't take rest on Sunday, I'm ready to go with it.
Amazing. My non-negotiable habit is
to silence my phone at 9:30 p.m. every day.
Oh my God.
What is one fitness myth that should be deleted?
I want you to answer first.
Mine is like, that there are different workout for men and women. So there is no difference. Women can do the same workout.
100%.
Also, there are like women cannot take whey protein and men can take whey protein. That's also a myth. That should be deleted.
Yes.
Right.
Like I feel if somebody says na ki ma'am aap nahi kar sakte, I said ki why I cannot do.
Cannot do.
I
And
don't like the
also-
word I cannot do.
And also, yeah,
We can.
we can. And also, like, there is a myth that, above 40, they should calm down, they should slow down. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. If you're
Nothing.
40, if you're 40, you need to work out. If you're 50, you need even more. If you're 60, even more. And if you're 70 years old,
Yes.
you should work out. Men and women both.
Both.
Right?
Both. True. True.
Amazing. I really enjoyed talking to
Same
you.
with
and,
me. Same with me.
I'm very happy that we met for the first time.
First time.
And like this. And like how, very
Yeah.
interesting. So I hope this conversation, this
It's helpful
conversation
people.
would help others. And we both are there to answer any of your questions. Right, Bhata?
100%.
Thank you. And we should do this again.
Yeah, 100%. I'm ready. I'm
Thank you.
always ready to help people.
Thank you so much.